Experiencing intermittent Wi-Fi drops with your Optus modem? Let's troubleshoot. Most dropout issues stem from three key areas: outdated firmware, poor modem placement, and faulty cables. We'll show you how to identify and resolve these common problems. As of October 2025, Optus reports that 60% of dropout complaints are resolved through basic firmware updates and cable checks. First, we will focus on firmware. First, ensure your modem's firmware is up to date. Optus often releases updates to fix bugs that cause disconnects. Check the Optus website or app for the latest version and instructions on how to update, or you may receive these updates automatically over the air. Next, optimize modem placement. Position it centrally, away from obstructions like metal objects, thick walls, and microwaves. Consider using a Wi-Fi analyzer app to find the Wi-Fi sweet spot with the strongest signal. Finally, inspect your cables. Use Cat6 Ethernet cables for NBN connections as they are less prone to interference. Check for damage or loose connections, and use a cable tester if needed. According to Optus's 2025 survey, 72% of users report improved stability after cable checks, and 65% attribute fixes to better placement.